lesson 11.4, we are talking about taking apart three-dimensional shapes. So we just got done talking about how we can take shapes and combine them to make new shapes. Now we're giving a combined shape and we have to take it apart to show which ones we used. So for number 1, it says Paco used shapes to build this robot. Circle the shapes he used. Well, if we were to take that robot apart, we would be able to see that we used cylinders. There's our cylinders. And we also used a rectangular prism to be able to make that robot. Same thing on number 2. They should be really good at this when they play with blocks. They like to do it. And number 3 says circle the ways that show the same shape. This is really hard for some students to see. They just want to look at the number of blocks that were used. So at first they would want to say the first and the third shape match because they each have 3 cubes and they have a rectangular prism. But what we want them to look at is the outside of the shape, the new combined shape that's made. So you can see if you are to draw with a marker around, that third shape looks completely different than the other two once they're combined. So it would be the first and second shape. On the back of the homework, number 1 is giving them another combined shape and they need to take it apart. They can see that they have used rectangular prisms and they have also used cubes. So their answer would be B. On the spiral review, going back to chapter 7, it says which is true. Just need to read each one. 13 is greater than 31. That's not true. 13 is equal to 31. Not true. 31 is less than 13. Not true. 31 is greater than 13, so it's the last one. And number 3, what is the difference? The word difference is our answer for subtraction. It's the difference from the whole take away our part. And so it would be 60 take away 30 would be 30.